Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Finn. Today we're making a double batch of chocolate chip banana bread. I put on my cooking gear and my favorite stool. Look out for the special banana bread monkey. Time for some math. We're doubling our banana bread, so the usual amount of butter is 5.5. So 5.5 plus 5.5 is 11. And a normal stick of butter has 8 tablespoons. This one has 3 tablespoons. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Exactly as much as we need. Go to the pantry to get your ingredients. Man, there's a lot of them. I'm using a 1/3 cup and a cup for the all-purpose flour. But if you didn't have 1 cup, you would have to use 4 of 1/3 cups. Because since it's a 1/3, 3 1/3s would equal 3/3, and that would equal a cup. Plus 1/3 would equal a cup and 1/3. But since we're doubling it, we're doing 2 2/3 cup. I need 3/4 plus 3/4 teaspoon salt. That equals 1 1/2 teaspoon salt. The recipe calls for a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1 teaspoon. The recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon equals a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm whisking it all together thoroughly before I whisk it together on high speed. Put your butter in a bowl and put the bowl in the microwave until it's a little soft and melty. Assemble the mixer! The recipe calls for 2/3 cup sugar. 2/3 plus 2/3, 1 1/3 cup sugar. Measure out the sugar. If the bag isn't full enough, you can cut the top off to make it easier for yourself. Mix your butter and sugar until it tastes delicious. I think I'm done. Add the sugar butter mixture into the big bowl. Hey, why'd the chicken cross the road twice? Because he had to double it. I crack myself up. Use your mixer to mix together all of the ingredients. A chef always has to taste his ingredients. That's pretty yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy. Ring, 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 ring. Banana foam. Smash your bananas into the mixture. Add your chocolate chip. A little bit for you, a little bit for me. No more for anyone. Gently mix in the chips. Spray your pans with non-stick butter. Tap some flour on the inside so it doesn't stick. Split your batter between the 2 pans and spread it out smoothly. Time to bake. Open your oven. That's not too hot. Put your pans on the same rack and set your timer for 50 minutes.
First dibs, I get to lick the beaters. Whoa!
Oven beeped. Now that feels hot. Let your banana bread cool. Man, that looks good. Run a knife around the edges of the pan to unstick the banana bread. And voila! Chocolate chip banana bread. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone. Did I say that as it went?
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button and click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.
Bye.